Football can kill you. Leicester City isenkingeni bafowethu, isenkingeni. Ake siqale ekuqaleni. Ngesizini ka
2015-2016, Leicester City became champion of EPL.
Yabo. Kwi-Premier League ledlalwa abo-Man City, abo-Manchester, o-Chelsea, o-Arsenal. Yayithatha bekhona futhi nabo. Yabo. Kwathi ngesizini ka 2023 kwakuyi 28 May yarelegatewa yaya kwi-championship. Yabo, yayishaya iWest Ham ngo-1-0 kwakulowo mapoint awanele watholile, yarelegatewa to championship. Yangithola. Kulonyaka ke this year ngo-2026 iyarelegatewa futhi iya kwi-League 1. Bafowethu, football can kill you. Cabanga iLeicester City ile yayidlalela wonkade ngalesa sikhathi ukuze ithathe i-Premier League. Angithola. So kodwa ke le weekend edlule sivuke ngendaba ezibhlungu, i-draw ngo-2-2 neHull, and akwangayisiza lokho, bekumele iwine, kwaphoqa ukuthi kumele i-relegate ke iye ku-League 1 from kuba i-champion uye kwi-championship to championship to League 1. Bafowethu, football can kill you.